Hey guys, it's me again, Jayan, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will do another unboxing. So I have the advent calendar from Revolution. This is the Revolve 25-day advent calendar. So yeah, this one is retails for £35 in the website and then right now it's out of stock, but here in Slovakia, this one I ordered this for $35.99 euros. So we have 25 products in this advent calendar. I don't know how it looks like, but it's making a lot of sounds. So yeah, I haven't tried any product from Revolve, but I did try the Revolution. I did unboxing of the advent calendar, I think 2 years ago. So yeah, actually have a affordable and they have like great products. So let's go ahead and check the products that's in this advent calendar one by one. So yeah, it's making a lot of sounds. So let's open this one now. They actually have nice packaging, very simple, but it's nice. Look at the color, like green and pink. Bright color, it's neon color, so I don't know how will it look like. I forgot to remove this. Yeah, I need to be careful, so I hope it's not broken. Okay, this is how it looks like. You can actually remove this cover, and we have 25 products. Box. Oh no. Yep. So let's put all the items that fell down here. Okay. So yep, I tried to fix it again, this box, and try to organize. So now let's proceed with the day one. It's here, and let's do it like this. So this is how the packaging looks like. Plain, and I hope I will not break this box. It's hard to unbox it actually. I need something. Oh wait, I need to get something to help me open this box. It's still hard. I got it. So wow, we have lipsticks. So this is baby lipstick in the shade of Achieve. It's kind of pinkish reddish color. I would not say it's red. So yeah, it looks like this. Haven't tried any lipstick from them. Let's put this one back here. That's why it's making a lot of sounds, because there's like a space there in the box. That's the day one. Next is day number 2 is here. Yep. We have this is a baby gloss, transparent baby gloss. And here's the day number 3. It's hard to, I want to to break the box. We have another baby gloss, lip gloss. This is in the shade of Babe. It's red color. Next, day number, maybe I can put this back here. Day number 4 is here. another lip gloss. This is in the shade of Glam. It's like some kind of pinkish nudish color. That's how it looks like. It's actually nice color. Day number 5 is here. Okay. Here's the day number 5. It's not making sound. I don't know what is this. Yep. Oh no. Oh, it's lip liner, super lip liner, and this is in the shade of, I know it's like some kind of red orange, Babe. It's the same as the lip gloss I opened earlier. This is how it looks like. Day number 6, I can see it. It's there are 2, 6, or maybe this one is 9. So because this one fell down, I assume this is the number 6. Okay, everything's falling. So it's heavy and big. Oh no, did not break anything. Ooh, we have H2O Hydrate primer. Wow, that's nice. And this is like oh my god, 12 ml of primer. That's good. And it's actually heavy. So day number 7 is here. Oh my god. Day number 7 is, wow, we have a nice super pigment baby lipstick. That's the shade. I like this shade. So yeah, not bad. So we have an audience here. Say hi.
Hi.
Next is, let's go with the day number 8. Here it's light, but it's big. Let's check what's in here. I'm sweating. Oh, what is this? This is Roll Baby something. What is this? Oh, it's Get Your Gloss On. That's another gloss, Roll Gloss. That's nice. And it's flavored. This is flavored with your fave fruity scents. Papaya. So let's proceed. Big box for this small product. And day number 9 is here. Okay, don't know, maybe some kind of powder or blush. Oh, so we have highlighter. This is in the shade of gold. And day number 10 is here. Oh, we have Lash Lengthening Mascara. That's how it looks like. Nice. Day number 11 is here. I'm sweating actually. Okay. Oh, we have a deep eyeliner. This is, I think, white shade. White color eyeliner. That's how it looks like. Smaller. Oh, we have another baby lip gloss in the shade of cream. That's how it looks like. Day number 13 is here. Oh, well, we have some Glossy Fix Clear Gel Mascara. That's how it looks like. Okay, so day number 14 is the one that fell down earlier. We have the day 23 there as well. Oh, we have super bronzer powder. This is in the shade of Oasis. You can see the name here from the back of the product. So day number 15 is this one. It's heavy. Wow, we have the shadow palette. This is in the shade of Achieve. That's how it looks like. It's dark eyeshadow. I actually purchased this Advent color. It was discounted, but it's still expensive. So day number 16 is this one. We have another mascara. I think this is Volume Blue mascara. I'm not sure, maybe this is waterproof because it's blue color. That's how it looks like. Then number 17 is this one. Oh, we have another lip liner. This is Super Feel like lip liner in the shade of cream also. So we have the lip liner and then the same shade for the gloss, and I think also, yeah, the baby lip gloss. It's actually good, so you can use them together. So day number 18 is here. What is this? So this is another lip liner in the shade of Dream. That's how it looks like. These are like light nude colors. And day number 19, we're almost done. 19 is here. It's also pink. It's very like it's nice. Not too much going on for the like design of the advent calendar. We have another lip liner. So much lip liner and lip gloss. This is in the shade of Glam. It's kind of nude pinkish shade. I normally don't wear this kind of shade color. They just don't look good on me. Day 20. Oh, we have a Cherry shadow palette. It's actually a nice color. We have like 3 shimmers, 4 and 2 matte. Nice. So day number 21 now. Here. Okay, we have another black eyeliner. Deep eyeliner. That's the name. Nice. It's actually it's like heavy. A little bit, not very heavy. But it's, maybe there's a lot of products there. So day number 22 is here. Another lip liner. So this is darker shade. This is in the shade of Super. It's kind of, yeah, dark, like kind of maroon color. Okay, I'm sweating and it's already dark outside. The next number is day 23. What's this? We have another highlighter. This is in the shade of champagne color. This is champagne. It looks like cold. That's how it looks like. Next is, we're almost done, day 24 here. Okay, we have the Glam Balm lip balm. Nice color of the packaging. It's baby blue. So we have the last day and then we can go. This is day 25 is here. Oh, it's heavy. I think this is an eyeshadow palette. I hope this is a face palette. Okay, eyeshadow palette. This is like Christmas pinkish color with something. That's how it looks like. This is the Believe eyeshadow palette. Nice. So we have 3 eyeshadows: blue, lip gloss, eyeliner, highlighter, bronzer. You have everything, but I did not open any blush. I would love to have some blush on from this box. How did I get this thing? Here. So yeah, at the back you can see giving you the gift of daily treats, countdown to Christmas with the 25 Advent calendar featuring the hottest products for all your makeup needs. So all the products are written at the back of this box, if you can see it, and yeah, and also the how long you can use it, like for 6 months, mostly 6 and 12 months here. Okay. So yeah, that's all. I'm actually happy with this Advent color. It's still expensive, I would say, because I think it was discounted when I ordered it online. I ordered in Pink Panda. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my Advent calendar unboxing. Thank you so much. And see you again in my next video of doing unboxing, hopefully. And yep, bye bye.